How to fix insufficient storage space error in Genshin Impact for iPhone. So if you're facing insufficient storage error, which is 9907 error code, then what you need to do is first you need to check your iPhone storage. So open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with general, and here you need to go with iPhone storage. And if you don't have any storage, like this is the storage that your applications are using, right? So you just need simply scroll down here and find out the unused apps or games on your phone. So let's say I don't use, for example, the CapCut right here. So you just need simply tap on the application and then go with delete app, which will be on the bottom from your iPhone. And once you've deleted the app, you will free up some space, which is like, for example, this app is taking 2.39 GB and I'll free up 2.39 GB after deleting the app. You need to do that with all the other applications that you don't use. Like in my case, the most storage is used by photos. So you can also just go and delete some photos if you have some duplicate photos, or if you have some photos that are unwanted, you can go and delete some photos or videos. And once you've deleted, you'll free up some space. And once you free up some space, you can just restart your device and try to reinstall. And it will no longer tell you that you need to clear out your storage on your iPhone. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.